Hey there, fellow tea enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the refreshing world of American iced tea. Get ready to quench your thirst for knowledge as we explore the origins, brewing methods, and cultural significance of this beloved beverage. So, grab your favorite glass and let's steep into the fascinating world of American iced tea. Introduction to American iced tea. Did you know that American iced tea is more than just a cooling beverage? It's become an integral part of American culture, especially during those hot summer months. Let's unravel the story behind this iconic drink that's found its way into countless households and cafes across the nation. The roots of iced tea. Iced tea's journey began in the early 19th century, with some stories attributing its creation to a heatwave at the 1904 St. Louis World's Fair. But it wasn't until the 20th century that this chilled version gained widespread popularity, evolving into the classic we enjoy today. The brewing process. Brewing the perfect American iced tea requires a delicate balance. Whether you're using black, green, or herbal tea, start by steeping the tea leaves in hot water, just like you would for hot tea. Then, let it cool before pouring it over ice. Sweeteners and citrus slices are often added for an extra twist of flavor. Sweet tea and regional variations. In the southern United States, iced tea takes on a delightful spin with sweet tea. This sugary concoction is practically an institution in places like Georgia and South Carolina. And don't forget about the famous Arnold Palmer, a mix of iced tea and lemonade. Health benefits and versatility. Beyond its refreshing taste, American iced tea offers numerous health benefits. It's rich in antioxidants, which promote overall well-being. Plus, you can customize your iced tea by experimenting with various tea blends, infusions, and garnishes. Iced tea in pop culture. American iced tea has not only quenched thirsts but also left its mark on pop culture. It's a staple in barbecues, picnics, and summer get-togethers, often portrayed in movies and TV shows as an emblem of relaxation and comfort. DIY iced tea recipes. Now, let's roll up our sleeves and get creative. You can elevate your iced tea game with various additions like fresh fruit, herbs, and even spices. Experiment with mint, berries, or even a touch of ginger to craft your signature iced tea masterpiece. Sustainability and iced tea. As we sip on our favorite iced tea, let's remember the importance of sustainability. Opt for reusable bottles and straws to reduce single-use plastic waste, ensuring that our love for iced tea doesn't harm the planet. In recent years, American iced tea has also found a place among health-conscious consumers. As people become more mindful of their sugar intake, many are opting for unsweetened or lightly sweetened versions of iced tea. This trend aligns with a growing emphasis on wellness and balanced choices. Iced tea innovations. The world of American iced tea is brimming with innovation. Tea companies and cafes are constantly coming up with exciting new flavors and combinations. You might stumble upon exotic blends like hibiscus-infused iced tea or tea-based mocktails that push the boundaries of traditional recipes. Iced tea for all seasons. While iced tea is a summer staple, its appeal extends far beyond warm weather. It's a versatile beverage that can be enjoyed year-round. During colder months, warm iced tea with spices like cinnamon and cloves becomes a comforting choice. Iced tea rituals. In American households, making iced tea often becomes a cherished ritual. Whether it's brewing a fresh batch to start the day or steeping a large pitcher for a family gathering, the process of making iced tea adds a touch of warmth and nostalgia to daily life. Iced tea pairings. Pairing iced tea with food is an art. Its versatility makes it a wonderful companion to a wide range of dishes, from light salads to grilled meats and even spicy cuisine. The tea's cooling effect and nuanced flavors can complement and enhance various flavors. Iced tea in the workplace. American iced tea isn't limited to homes and cafes. It's also a staple in workplaces, providing a refreshing break during busy hours. Many offices and co-working spaces offer iced tea as an alternative to traditional coffee. Iced tea across generations. One of the magical aspects of American iced tea is how it bridges generations. It's a drink enjoyed by people of all ages, From kids relishing their first sip to seniors reminiscing about the good old days over a glass of their favorite iced tea. And as we wrap up our deep dive into the world of American iced tea, let's raise our glasses to this beloved beverage that's more than just a drink. It's a blend of history, culture, and refreshment that continues to evolve with the times. If you're as captivated by iced tea as we are, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights, and share your go-to iced tea recipe or memory in the comments below. Until our next tea-filled adventure, stay cool and keep sipping.